Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to get a free domain name with Freenom. So let's start right now, and the first thing you have to do in order to get your free domain name is to go onto the website freenom.com. Of course there's a link to it in the video description. And here you can find a free domain. To do that, just click here and search for any domain. I just go for tutorial-corner and I will check the availability. Here you can see all the 5 domain endings you can get for free here, but if you click on get it now, it shows that the domain is not available, but this is just an error. In reality, your domain is probably available, and to fix this problem, just choose your domain ending. For example, I'm just gonna go ahead and choose .ml and search for your domain again, including your ending this time. So tutorial-corner.ml. If you want a .tk ending, just search for your domain and .tk. And as you can see here, our domain actually is available. And if yours is too, you can continue to the checkout. If your domain is not, just try it with another ending or a slightly different domain name. So now let's click on checkout. On the right, you can see period, and by default it is at 3 months, but you can select up to 12 months for free here. So just do that to get your domain for 1 year, but it will be extended every year for free. So to get your domain, just click continue. And now you have to enter your email address on the left. After you've entered your email address, just go to your email inbox and open the Freenom verification email. Here, just click the link they sent to you and you can continue by entering your details. Once you've done that, click on complete order. And now we're at the order confirmation. We can see our order number here. Now you need to log in with your email and your password to manage your domain. To see your domain, click on services on the top and my domains now. Here you can see your domain. If it is not showing up, just wait a few minutes and reload the website. To change your DNS settings, just click manage domain, and you can manage your name servers under management tools, name servers. Here you can use custom name servers. I'm just gonna enter the Cloudflare name servers to manage my domain via Cloudflare. I hope I could help you. If yes, leave a like, and if you want to use your domain now, just click this video.